Hi guys, welcome back. Today I have this really cute little art kit that I got at Michael's to make this reindeer and sleigh with these Christmas elves or Christmas gnomes. I'm going to assume they're elves because it does say Santa sleigh kit. It is for ages 6 plus. Apparently it takes 30 minutes to put together. It was 14.99 Canadian or 9.99 US, and it is by Creatology. So it is a Michael's brand. And then on the back, it shows you everything. So the cardboard cutouts, and you should just be able to pop them together. So it does say 4 foam shapes, 8 wood shapes, 6 paper stickers, 4 felt sheets, gems, paint pots, a paintbrush, and an instruction sheet. Now, I thought these were already painted, so we may end up having to paint them. Let's go ahead and get this open. Oh, sorry, and see what exactly is in this kit. Oh, it's big. Guys, this is big. I thought this was going to be really small. And oh, you do have to paint it. So there's the wooden shapes. There's the sleigh. This is actually quite big. And this is, I'm going to guess, reindeer paint. Look at the size of these elves and gnomes. This one, oh, that's kind of gross. There was a hair in there. Look at the size of these. Here is my hand for comparison. Like, these are huge. Here's our felt. Okay. I don't know what the string is for. I don't know. Some gems. It does come with a paintbrush. What are we supposed to paint? Because here's the deer stickers. Look at how big these are. Oh my goodness. And instructions. Oh, we're supposed to paint the sleigh. Okay, can I get the instructions out? Is it stuck? There we go. Okay. So apparently we are supposed to paint the sleigh and we're supposed to paint it brown. But it's wood. So we might just leave that alone for this. I guess it does look painted in the picture. Doesn't matter. Let's go ahead and get started. So according to our instructions, we should put together the sled, paint it, and then put the reindeer together. Okay, so let's do that. Let's move all this, scooch to the side, and let's really get into what's in this kit. I want to put this together to find out, is this worth the $14.99 or the $9.99? And would you buy this from Michael's? Honestly, I thought this was going to be really, really tiny. And it is not tiny. So my expectations have already, I'm wowed. Like, look at the size of, look at my hand. Look at the size of these things. Little reindeers. Okay. Oh my goodness. So there's our sleigh. It's huge. It is huge. I can't believe this. What did I just do with the instructions? Okay, so the big part goes on the bottom, and then that's the big part. Okay, the big part goes on the bottom, and the little part connects here. So let's take, is there an up and a down? Is there a, this is wood too. This is the balsa wood. Well, it doesn't even fit. Is there a right, I don't want to break it. Is there a right way? There we go. Okay. So apparently I just had to push hard. I guess it doesn't matter with those. So let's get this sleigh together. I don't know if I would paint the sleigh brown. Is it going to stay together? This side's stuck now. Oh, it did splinter the wood a little bit there, trying to get it through. Okay. So this is not thick balsa wood. This is actually quite thin. So it's thinner than the wood you would get at the dollar store, at the Dollar Tree. Honestly, this looks like it would fit a Barbie doll. Oh my goodness. You know what? Let me see. So here's our sled. Look at that. That fits a Barbie. I mean, not once we put the side pieces, but just for size comparison. Look at how big this is. This is Barbie size. Oh my goodness. This is going to take up a big, big part of my Christmas decor. These do not snap in very well. So, whoa, you may need some help. Oh, trying to get it together. So right now, I'm not impressed with how hard it is to push this in, like to get the pieces to connect. Like it's very flimsy, and I'm afraid of just pushing too hard and maybe breaking it. I mean, it is just a Christmas craft, but I find with a lot of Creatology projects like this, I mean, at least this one has good detailed instructions, but they are not, I can't even get this piece in. They're not even the best well made. Oh, I really am afraid I'm going to break it. Does anyone have any tricks that they could, I can't get it in, that they could share? Oh, now I got this part stuck. Yeah. This does not fit. Let's try putting it this way one more time. I think we may just have to leave the front of the sleigh. Oh, sort of. I don't know. Yeah, that's cracking the wood. It's not even in all the way. Wow. There. This is a lot harder than it should be. And right there again, it splintered the wood. Very, very thin. Whew. So when you pack this away after Christmas, be very, very careful with it. Very, very thin. So now normally we would paint the sleigh with this really cheap looking paintbrush. This looks like it comes out of a Crayola set with a brown paint. Now, I don't know. I might paint this after, but I'm definitely not painting my Santa sleigh brown. I might do some red and some silver. Who knows? But let's just stick that off to the side for now. And our next step is, whoa, look at the mess it made. This reindeer. For that, we need the reindeer stickers. So, oh, I like that. Okay. When you peel this off very carefully, do you see that? It cut out the little notch so that, oops, did I just rip the sticker? Nope, I did a little bit. It has the little notches cut out so that when you line it up, oops, he's facing the wrong way, or she, you can line up the little notches. So the notch here and the notch here and then the notch here and here. And that should line it up pretty close. Okay, maybe not. Can we restick it if we do it wrong? Okay, we can. Let's try this again. Line it up. Line it up. Okay, that's... Aha! Let's try lining up the tail first. It's always great when they... All right, that's better. So the trick for this one is line up the tail first, and that way. But look how cute that looks. Just like that. That's so cute. And now we have a whole bunch of extra stickers. Oh, there's one for each. It's a double-sided reindeer. So let's stick that down. I think I should have read the instructions first and peel off this part of the reindeer. Other than the frustration of not being able to get the pieces in, I think so far this would make a great art kit to do as a decoration, or if you had a lot of them and you're in scouts or guides as a group, just keep in mind you will probably end up having to help line up these stickers. That one went easier. So, oh, I messed that part up. Definitely start with the tail when you're doing these stickers. And now we have the legs. So let's shift that over. That is super cute. And let's do the legs. And they are the same thing. They have that little notch to make it easier. Which sticker is going to come out first? And this is good because you have all this extra sticker. You can save that and use it for different projects because we like to recycle. So now make sure you line them up. This is a smooth one, so that means it's not this one, it's this one. Okay, let's line it up. Okay, this one too, start with the legs. Okay. Oh my goodness. You know, the one thing I'm not really good at is lining up stickers. Whenever I did Lego sets or anything that required stickers, I could never really, and I mean, you've seen it with like the Polly Pocket sets, not really good at it. So let's line up that leg. Oh, you know, the fun thing, I've told you this before, the fun thing with crafting is even if we all have the same kit, we're all going to end up with something slightly different because of different abilities. All right, so I've got some bumps, you know, not bad. Okay, let's do the next one. This is actually pretty well thought out now that I've actually got this open. This sheet goes on to this one, so we'll do it again. I'm going to do this upside down. For some reason, I can stick things better when I'm upside down. So just take your time. And can I do this one a bit better than the last one? Yeah! Perfect. And then the last two, and then what do we do next? And then apparently we just stick everything together. So let's get the last sticker off. The last two. I really like, the notches and the fact that you can do these stickers, you know, repeatedly if you are like me and you make a mistake. So let's line it up. That's not lined up like I just said. Okay. This. There we go. Got the notch. All right. Now we have a reindeer leg, and let's get the last one done. And then we can move on to decorating. I can see why they say this will take half an hour, but I'm wondering, is that with letting the paint dry? There's our sticker. Look at how much extra scrap sticker they have. If you have a Cricut, you could cut this, or you can just do it by hand. If you don't have a Cricut or a cutting machine, I have an Explore Air 2, so that will make things easier for me to cut. And we'll line it up. Or if you're making, you know, some sticker food for your dolls, this could be, I don't know, bread, cake. What do you guys think? Let me know. And let me know. Oh, that's bad. Let me know. Would you buy this kit from Michaels? I'm starting to think I'm glad I did, because this is going to look cute in my bay window. But I'm not. Would have been easier if these things came pre-painted. Just saying, Michaels. This part could have been pre-painted. And now, front legs. Will these fit together? Oh, look, the stickers are pulling. Okay, make sure you really push, okay? Yeah, they're not fitting. This is going to be one tall reindeer. They do not slide in. So even though there's notches, they're not sliding in. Let's try this one. Okay. I don't know if I put his legs on backwards. Does that look right? I don't know. But there's our reindeer. I can't even fit them all in the frame. They're so big. There's our reindeer and sleigh. And now all that's left, let's put that upright and put our reindeer here so that you can... I don't know if the reindeer is right. Okay, let's go on to sticking these guys in here. And they have these little notches in here, so we'll just pull them out. Like, look how nice and easy this is. It's printed on the foam. This would have made things so much easier. Look at that. Oh, perfection. It's perfect. It's perfect. I mean, printing? Eh. This guy's going to lose part of his boot. Let's get this out. Okay. And now, I don't know, they have these little notches, so is there an order that they go in? Does it matter which way they go in? It does. This guy's got 2 notches, so he would go here. So I guess the sleigh faces this way. Okay, I'm not believing the 6 plus because I can't get him in. Okay, I give up on the foam. You just stick them in there like that. Look, just like that. There's your little happy Santa's elves. That way that way it works better. And then you have, I don't know, what does this do? Where's that box? I don't know. Okay. Oh, okay. Oops, I'm making it bad. Let me move this. These things go on the reindeer's antlers. Okay. I don't believe 6 plus anymore. Peel and stick. Yeah. Positively. Oh, look, I lost a little gnome there. He's just going to sit there. Can I sticker these? Can I peel these apart? Are these going to be easy? Are they? Are they? Ah, okay. There's the sticker. Okay. And did I go the wrong? Okay. So you just find where they line up and sticker them down. That's cute. Where's the other one? That's this one? Okay, let's do this one. 6 plus. And only 30 minutes. We are 17 minutes in, and that's not even including the paint. Oh, the sticker sheet broke. There we go. I don't think this is meant for 6 plus. Unless there's some amazing 6-year-old crafters. There we go. Okay, so that gives you the idea. So there's our reindeer. I don't know if I put his legs in the right way, but that's cute. And then there's our sleigh. Now, I can't get these little guys in there, so I'm going to have to find a way to glue them down. And this is definitely going to need some paint. Oh, they just went everywhere. That is not brown. I don't know. And here is the string to, attach to your reindeer and your Christmas sleigh. I don't know, guys. Would you buy this for $14.99 and $9.99? Again, maybe if you got a group discount or if you bought a bulk of them to do as a group for a weekend fun, it might be fun for the holidays. I'm glad I bought it to experience it. I'm happy with it in a way. I mean, I am going to customize it and make it my own, but we do that with all kinds of crafting. That's it for today, guys. Let me know in the comments if you liked this, if you would buy this craft kit. I'm going to give it 3 out of 5. That'll be my rating. 3 out of 5. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.